Hey guys, it's Tony. So I did want to come on here a little bit after hours just to let you guys know and talk about what happened today with Rocket. And basically how everything kind of shut up like this, right? So a lot of people are saying that it was a lot of retail that came in and pumped it, or Wall Street bets came in and pumped it. No, man. You guys need to understand, Wall Street bets and retail investors, people like me and you, don't have enough money to pump RKT like this. Like this is nowhere near how much money we have to pump something like this. There was like $55 billion that came into RKT, right at like 9:40 in the morning, and then we just had a huge run up after there, right? And this was before anything. This is before anything was posted into Wall Street Bets. So nobody go out telling people that Wall Street Bets started pumping RKT, because that is 100% false. This is basically, hedge funds figuring out that there's a bunch of shorts on RKT, and it's basically another hedge fund fucking another hedge fund with like $55 billion, right? Or multiple hedge funds fucking other hedge funds that were short rocket companies. And and also, like, people are saying that there's going to be a short squeeze because all the contracts are already in the money that are expiring this Friday. So there's actually just more contracts that got sold. So this is exactly what happened with GameStop last time, right? There were more contracts on that same day that got sold, and the furthest out contract that I saw today was $36. And guess what? After hours, we now have up to $64. Like, that's insane. Like, why would these hedge funds sell calls up until $64 right now, right? So I do think it's absolutely insane that, I just think it's like, Wall Street Bets isn't pumping this. This is basically a hedge fund fucking another hedge fund, or multiple hedge funds fucking other hedge funds, right? This is big money against big money. This is, in no way did retail have any kind of manipulation for RKT. There's no way. We don't have it. We're all poor. Me, I'm poor. You're poor. Everybody that's listening to me is 100%. We're poor compared to everybody else. We don't have enough money to pump this stock. We are not the reason that we are seeing these gains, or that we're seeing the stock move in excess of like 70% gains today, right? We are not the reason that that this is moving. It's other hedge funds basically fucking other hedge funds. And like I told you guys, this is a company that I truly like. I think they're like this. They're like one of the most profitable companies in the world. I think they make as much money as Amazon. And the thing is, their profit is based off of the last 3 quarters. And I do think that the housing market is going to stay strong for a lot longer. Like, it's absolutely insane. So, just that being said, I wanted to come on here just to let you guys know that, you guys can forget about the whole short squeeze. You guys can forget about the whole retail or Wall Street Bet pumping this. They're not pumping this. Retail is too poor to pump this. We're too poor. We can't afford to pump this. It's only a hedge fund pumping this because they probably heard that RKT is extremely shorted, and they basically wanted to fuck them. That's it.